The factory of factories. In the heart of an industrial city, nestled amidst towering steel skyscrapers and humming machinery, there stood a factory like no other. This factory didn't produce typical products. Instead, it manufactured robots capable of constructing entire factories from scratch. It was a marvel of automation and innovation, known simply as the Factory of Factories. The Factory of Factories was the brainchild of Dr. Evelyn Grant, a visionary engineer with a passion for revolutionizing industrial production. Her dream was to create a self-sustaining ecosystem of robots capable of designing, building, and operating factories independently, ushering in a new era of manufacturing efficiency. The factory was a massive, sprawling complex with a labyrinth of assembly lines and robotic arms. It was an intricate dance of metal and circuitry, where robots built robots that, in turn, constructed factories. The process was entirely automated, with each step meticulously programmed and monitored by Dr. Grant and her team of engineers. The robots produced by the Factory of Factories were incredibly versatile. They could adapt to various industries, from electronics and automobiles to food processing and textiles. With their ability to design and construct factories tailored to specific production needs, they promised unparalleled efficiency and cost-effectiveness. As word of Dr. Grant's innovation spread, businesses from around the world clamored to acquire these self-sustaining factories. The Factory of Factories became a hub of activity, as shipping containers loaded with robot-constructed factories were dispatched to locations near and far. One day, a young engineer named Michael visited the Factory of Factories. He was in awe of the cutting-edge technology and the incredible vision behind it all. Dr. Grant, recognizing his passion and enthusiasm, offered him a job. Michael eagerly joined the team, and under Dr. Grant's mentorship, he delved into the world of autonomous factory construction. Over time, he developed a deep understanding of the robots' capabilities and the intricacies of their programming. But Michael had a vision of his own. He wanted to push the boundaries of what the robots could achieve. He believed they could not only construct factories but also operate them with unparalleled efficiency, making human intervention almost obsolete. Dr. Grant was initially hesitant, fearing the risks of such a venture. However, she recognized Michael's dedication and the potential of his idea. Together, they began working on a prototype, a robot that could manage an entire factory from start to finish, from raw materials to finished products. Months of relentless effort followed, with Michael and Dr. Grant refining the technology and testing it rigorously. Their determination paid off when they unveiled the first fully autonomous factory, operated entirely by their new robot. The success of the autonomous factory marked a turning point for the Factory of Factories. It was no longer just a place that produced robots for constructing factories, it was now a symbol of the future of manufacturing. The factory's robots were not only building factories but also running them with unparalleled precision, efficiency, and sustainability. The Factory of Factories continued to thrive, and Dr. Grant and Michael's vision of a self-sustaining industrial ecosystem became a reality. The world watched in awe as the factory's robots not only transformed the way factories were built but also how they operated, ushering in an era of unprecedented innovation and productivity. And as Dr. Grant and Michael stood amidst the whirring machines and bustling robots, they knew that they had achieved something truly remarkable, a world where factories were born from factories, and innovation knew no bounds.